If you're looking for the best wooden utensil set, you come to the right place. These sets use sturdy hardwoods to resist wear from regular stirring. Heat-resistant construction helps protect softer cookware surfaces. Smooth finishes reduce the chance of splintering near food. Easy to rinse and dry quickly support simple cleanup. This overview compares durability, care, and fit for different kitchens. Check the links below for current pricing and details. Number 5. For those who prefer a light yet sturdy feel in hand, this 6-piece bamboo spoon set delivers a balanced spoon and scraper combo. The firm bamboo resists stains and repeated contact, helping each spoon maintain a clean look and sit over time. Bamboo is gentle on non-stick and ceramic surfaces, lowering the risk of small surface scratches during daily cooking. It suits eco-conscious cooks who want coordinated tools that match a natural kitchen and simplify dish routines. This set earns a spot by combining consistent size pieces, practical shapes for flipping and stirring, and an affordable way to outfit a kitchen with coordinated utensils. Number 4. Crafted from solid wood, the Mooues wooden kitchen utensil set brings a sturdy hand feel to routine cooking tasks. This product is a collection of wooden tools designed for stirring, flipping, and serving without damaging non-stick pans. What makes it different is the high-quality build that resists splintering and holds up through daily use. That matters because a well-made wooden set keeps your cookware scratch-free and avoids the cost of replacing cheap plastic or bent metal tools. These utensils suit home cooks, eco-conscious consumers, and first-time homeowners who want sustainable items for everyday prep. Maintenance stays simple: wash by hand, dry promptly, and apply food-safe oil occasionally to prevent drying. The set earns its spot on our list by delivering practical durability and safe handling at a reasonable cost for those starting a new kitchen. Number 3. Sleek teak wood and curved handles define the Zulay kitchen 6-piece wooden spoon set. These utensils bring extra resilience to stirring, lifting, and scraping, even with thick sauces or long simmering times. Heat resistance and a sealed surface help the spoons resist water absorption, which supports everyday usability and simplifies cleanup. The ergonomic grips reduce strain during extended cooking sessions, making basic tasks feel more controlled. For a new kitchen, this collection handles stirring, mixing, and serving without introducing metal scratches on delicate cookware. Because the construction emphasizes simple care routines, it can slot into a practical kitchen routine. Choosing this set often appeals to people who want sturdy wooden tools that balance classic style with straightforward performance. Number 2. Focusing on classic teak construction, this set delivers solid, long-lasting tools for daily meal prep. Carved from dense, food-safe wood, each piece resists cracking and keeps flavor neutral, so your soups and sauces stay true. 10 distinct shapes handle stirring, flipping, and scraping in pans of different sizes, cutting the need for scattered drawers. Smooth edges and sealed finishes make cleaning gentle, while the natural grain hides regular use marks. This mix suits new homeowners who want fewer, smarter tools that align with eco-minded habits. Because the set balances durability, gentle care for cookware, and practical layouts, it secures a spot on this comparison list for buyers weighing safety, longevity, and everyday function. Number 1. Starting with a sleek, dark finish, this set of Riveira bamboo spoons brings a subtle, modern touch to your utensil crock while staying gentle on cookware. The main idea here is non-scratch cleaning protection, since organic bamboo is softer than metal and unlikely to leave micro marks on your favorite pans. This matters for people who cook with coated or thin metal pots and still want durable tools that resist staining and are simple to rinse clean. It suits home cooks upgrading basics, eco-conscious buyers avoiding plastic, and new homeowners wanting versatile pieces for everyday tasks. Compared with mixed material sets, this specific design earns its spot by combining solid bamboo construction, spoon shapes for lifting and stirring, and a look that fits naturally into minimalist kitchens. This set brings together bamboo and wood tools designed for everyday scooping and stirring. The smooth finishes and rounded edges help protect both your cookware surfaces and surfaces in your kitchen. Denser woods and sealed edges can handle repeated contact with pots and heat. If you want a collection that suits different tasks, this range offers options. Check the links below for current pricing and details.